Hey, stop eating them. What are you doing?
It was just the corner. It was just the corner.
Should have seen your face.
Well, B, look how cute.
Oh, baby. Thank you.
You're welcome. Isn't it delicious?
It is delicious.
Look at the little gingerbread man. Right there.
Yeah, that's why I picked it out.
Welcome to Christmas. How delicious is that?
Brings me back to my childhood.
What flavor was your favorite?
Strawberry.
Instructions. What, we gotta make it?
I don't read instructions.
No, okay, well, that's a problem.
Babe, you're going too fast.
You shouldn't have been watching the game.
That's the roof.
No, it's not.
You're gonna put
It's
that.
the windows. It's the side. Pay attention.
Sure?
Yeah, I'm sure. Look at the.
Positive?
I'm positive. Look at the picture. Okay, now I got the other side done. Now.
You're going too fast. Wait up.
Okay. It's just like running wood glue. You know what I'm saying? Carpentry 101.
Why'd you cut that piece
Sam
out?
Ham style. Huh? I got a hole in my roof. Like a Charlie in the Chocolate Factory roof. Well, what is going on here, babe?
What? My thing is falling apart.
It's okay. Let me help you.
You're messing it up.
I'm not messing it up. I'm trying to help you. Well, your house falls down.
How come yours is sticking?
Because I didn't over ice it like you, and now it's hard for your icing to dry.
Oh.
So just give it a minute. Let this dry.
Can we just try it?
Okay.
My mom's called a 12-month warranty. And we're missing 2 people.
Yeah, we are. Target chipped us. Oh, no, we break this. And then we break it again. I'm so smart. Oh, this is just to secure it. We don't keep this on there.
Well, I'm gonna secure it until it dries.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Really?
My thing fell off.
Oh no.
You didn't
It's
see
okay.
it?
I didn't
You
see
didn't
it.
tell me.
I didn't see it. It wasn't my fault.
Because you didn't tell me.
I didn't know.
You're supposed to look.
Babe, just glue it back on.
That's
Oh,
good.
I don't like it. How dare you!
Well, mine's is falling apart too.
This is really hard to do with my nails.
I told you to get long nails.
Not you or my mom, I'll tell you that much. Did you hear her today? Those nails are so long. Let me live my life. It's the last fun I'm gonna be able to have with long nails.
Stop eating. Look at my chin and try to get this tree out. I get roasted for being a bitch.
Don't be crushing your new crown.
Try not to.
Oh my gosh, yours looks so cute. I heard something. What crash? Oh my god! Give me a little more glue.
Oh, you wanted me to throw it out. You took a light on. No, not mine, boy.
Ah! Oh my gosh, two. And my handle. Oh. Showdown. House number 1. I'm gonna give you a 360 spin.
Alright, now let me zoom in. Okay.
House number 2.
Alright, you gotta get yours out the way
Excuse
because
me.
it's gonna distract others from seeing mine, okay?
Don't, you're knocking my stuff off. Look at all your crap on the ground. Like a little kid. First of all, it's shifted to the right. The foundation is not level.
12-month warranty. Brand new home.
Okay, tell me when I should spin.
Alright, it's ready for the spin. Alright, it's the side of the house. Best gingerbread house I've ever seen.
What's going on here?
What? That's the snow, girl.
Oh, what about here?
That's the snow. That's the snow. The
This
tree
is
wouldn't stick to the chimney, so I had no choice but to put it there.
Okay. I love it. It's
Alright, now we
beautiful.
put both of them together. Yeah, we can definitely tell which one's better. I'll let the people decide.
Mhm.